Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Ooh, my accent there. This is your first time on this channel, you guys, welcome to the family. Make sure to subscribe. The button is down there. Just click on it and subscribe. Make sure to turn on your bell so whenever I post another video, you get notified. So without any further ado, let's get right into this. So today I'm back again with my bonnet. It's a hair video. We're going to be doing a hair video here to show you guys what and how to style your short hair. You can slay, you can kill them, period. Let's get right into this. So this is the short hair I'll be using. I already glued down my hair so I can pack it any style. First style I'll be doing is just our basic center parting.
Manny Beats Production.
Hairstyle number 2. Hairstyle number 3.
Manny Beats Production. Manny Beats Production. Manny Beats Production.
So guys, these are the hairstyle I decided to pick out for you guys today. I hope you like each and every one. Comment down below which one of the hairstyle is your favorite, which one will you be recreating. I mean, just let me know what you think about the hairstyle. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I'll see you guys in my next video.